So today we're here with Adele's DIYs, and today is a very special day because we have a very special guest named Leah. And today we are going to be making paint tape art. Now, let's get started! Some things you'll need to get started are canvas paper and paintbrushes. You will also be needing paint cups and paint. White paint is very important. You'll also be needing painter's tape as well as water cups. Now, let's get DIYing! For the first step, each person who is doing a tape painting will be needing one piece of canvas paper. You're also going to want to select all the paint colors that you want and some paint trays, water cups, and of course, paintbrushes. You're going to want to start by putting some of your paint into the paint trays. That's good enough. That's a nice paint. You are then going to want to dilute your paint by adding in a little bit of water. Now for the fun part, we're going to start painting. And it looks better when it's abstract. Now, let's get painting. Where are my paintbrushes? It's really cool. Just paint? Yeah, just paint. You can paint something, you can not paint something, I don't really care. Whatever you think you'd like. So you guys, just don't have a vision and it'll go a lot better. I mean, I don't know. That's what I'm giving you. So, you can also use a sponge for some creative mixing. Or you can even just put some paint in there. Who knows, whatever you're feeling that day. Like right now, I'm feeling great and like I don't have any vision whatsoever. Like literally, I have no idea how this is going to work. I like abstract painting a lot more than regular painting though, because with regular painting, you have to think a lot. I don't like thinking. Let's go! Oh shoot, I probably should have washed the paintbrush before I did that. You're like one of those fairies. I'm like one of those fairies. Yeah, I see that. I see that very well. It was getting a little bit wet, so I just dabbed out with a little paper towel. Now I'm going to add some more blue paint because this blue is not enough. Oh boy, are we running out of blue? No, there's no possibility. This cannot be happening blue. Oh good, we're not out yet. Yeah, keep it, yeah. Let my papers go, rude. Now I'm just going to go back and make sure that every piece of canvas is covered so that there's no white shed. Since I finished before Leah, I started with the pink base and then I just drizzled the other color on top of it and then I'm just lightly brushing the border back and forth, not very many times so that it reaches all the way around. This is so much fun! So these are my eyes, the eyes of the painting. And you can just like dab a little bit here, there, abstract, you know, there's no way to go wrong. And this is my painting, so I can do whatever I want with it. I'm done. Mic drop. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands now. Bye!
'Cause I've got memories and travel like gypsies in the night. And 1,000 times I've seen this road. 1,000 times. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground.
So our paintings have dried. Unfortunately, my second one, this one, has way too much paint and is probably going to take our entire lifetime and generations after us to dry. So we're not going to do that one right now. But now we can move on to the next step, which includes tape. So you're going to want to cut about 2-inch strips of painter's tape and just make a bunch of those because because you can literally never have too many. Like literally. Ooh la la! So now that we have cut all of our tape, we are going to want to apply it in whatever pattern you want. We're choosing chevrons, and you're just going to want to basically zigzag it and make sure that one side lines up with this side. And for example, I've placed this tape, so now I'm going to want to line up and make sure that it's a straight edge, and then just place it down. Then you're just going to want to continue doing that all along the edge. And it's very important that there are gaps in between your pieces of tape because that's where your wet paint is going to go. Since I am done with my taping, I'm not. Since I am done with my taping, I am going to paint the whole canvas white. And I need more tape.
I'm gonna watch.
Before you start painting, you are also going to want to smooth down every piece of tape so you have very clean edges and that no paint gets underneath it. Stressful! I'm going to start painting with the white. And you are going to want a bigger brush for this because it's going to take forever if you use like an eensy weensy little brush. We are now going to want to wait about an hour, and in that hour we are going to watch paint dry, literally, and then we get to the most satisfying part, peeling off the tape. Yay! So, I let these dry overnight, and unfortunately Leah had to leave, but that's okay because now I get to do both. Yay! So, now let's get to taking the tape off of these beautiful pieces of artwork. It's really starting to come together, don't you think? OMG, aren't these so cute? Well, I think they are. This one's Leah's and this is mine. And you'll notice that the lines aren't perfect, but it gives it a really nice weathered, artistic kind of vibe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye, guys. Also, if you recreate any of these DIYs, make sure to post it on social media using hashtag #AdeleDIYsByMe. See you next week. Bye, guys. Mwah.
I like digging holes and hiding things inside them. When I grow old,